Hi everyone, I'm back. I'm back with a new live unboxing in a different setting. I'm spending the day in Chanturi, which is my village, with my parents. It's my father's feast day, so I better hurry. I received after this very morning, I actually stalked the delivery man to get my parcel before I left for the village this morning, and here we are. I'm trying to open it. I will try to open it as carefully as possible. This is actually not my first pair of Louis Vuitton footprint racing high top sneaker, please. Yeah, an unbelievable series of coincidences. What drew me to these sneakers is first the low top model, namely the sneaker LV footprint soccer. I saw them first in black in an article on the web dealing with, the soccer trend, and then I came to try them while in Miami, and they were huge. Of course, they didn't have my size. Oh my gosh, it's hard. I'm trying to open the package. Whew, we're good. I tried them. I guess they only had a 7, or I don't remember. And no, they had a 6.5, and I mean, the soccer footprint were huge. So I figured out I needed a pair in 5.5, but also while in the store at Aventura Mall, I saw the high top version and I was sold. I was sold because as I'm going to show you, the colors, yeah, are so much more versatile than the red version, because I said, okay, you're a fan of the red footprint, but what are you actually going to wear them with? And I was kind of stuck. So I ordered, let me show you. Oh, wow, they're gorgeous. This version in a 5.5, except that the 5.5 was too small. Again, in all my videos, especially recently, I've clearly tried to be as detailed and specific about sizing and sizing info as I could, because it's not enough. The kind of sizing info you get from the website or from the customer service, and I called them a number of times even while I was in Miami, is not enough at best and misleading sometimes. I'm looking at them as I go, and I guess this will hurt my wallet big time. Yeah, I ordered them in a 5.5, and as soon as I opened the box, I felt bad. It's a 6.5 men's size, and they look small. I mean, they don't look big at all, and they clearly size small for men's shoes. I mean, this is a 41. I'm a 40. I should have known better before ordering the 5.5, because normally for sneakers, I'll wear a size 41 and never 40, never. And the 5.5 would be a 40 French. But yeah, even for men's shoes, I mean, they size small. They don't look huge at all. I'm gonna take the other one and try them, but I guess that I'm very happy talking about customer service and misleading info. The very nice girl I spoke with told me that women usually sized half a size up, and I was about to exchange the 5.5 with a 6. And I'm so glad I stuck to my intuition and ordered a 6.5 instead, because clearly I'm showing these beauties. The leather is so soft. You have a huge LV logo on the side. In case you forgot the kind of designer you were wearing, there's one here as well. And yeah, I feel like this pair, although they're more boots than sneakers, and they're a hybrid. They're not really soccer sneakers. They're more, soccer meets racing shoes. And in the meantime, again, I've seen on the internet that, I think it was at the Dior show, I saw that the racing theme was going to be huge next season. So yeah, and plus the official color is red, but as you can see, there's black, there's white, and these 3 colors together. I mean, I'll be able to wear them. Actually, let me show you my outfit. I have this Leo set. Let's go, the moment of truth. The right ones. Well, they feel big. Let me stand up. They feel big, but I think I will keep them because I feel like the 6 would be, oh my gosh, there's never a way to figure out what size will be the best. I'm gonna put the left one. Yeah, they feel big, I'm not gonna lie. But the thing is, these shoes don't need to be, don't need to feel tight. And they look, I'm gonna compare them. They look smaller than my Vuittons. So, yeah, they feel, you know what, the thing is, I think they feel big because I have very narrow feet, and this is another reason why I didn't get the footprint sneakers. They're not flat, you have a heel, and I felt like, if they were too big, the foot would be unstable. And so that's not an issue with high top sneakers. So yeah, they feel big, but they also feel so comfortable. I'm sold, and I'm not returning them. I'm gonna take a few steps, but I'm sold, unfortunately. Yeah, I feel like the 6 would have been enough, but I'm not gonna lie, I don't want to go through returning them again. And plus, I've not tried them on a carpeted surface. They feel big, but not, oops. The fact that they're high tops, I cannot really feel the difference. Like there, with the footprint, I could there's like a finger that's, I could feel that they were really, again, it's not an issue with high top sneakers. Wow, they look so cool with my look today. They're perfect. Something else. Do they match my pillow bag? You be the judge. Well, they kind of do, I think. It's clearly not the same red, but for some reason they match. Wow, that's another big plus for these beauties. Ideally, size up half a size, as she told me. But knowing that I love to feel comfortable in my sneakers, plus they don't look huge at all, I think I'm gonna keep them, because the first pair I returned took 10 days. It was an exchange, and I'm not even sure they have my size. They have a 6 left. I'm not even sure. Where is it? Also, while I'm browsing, clearly I have a thing for men's sneakers. I think that they're more gorgeous than women's. And yeah, can somebody comment down below and explain me why? Clearly, I'm really drawn to men's shoes. So do they have my size? Let's check. Okay guys, so as of speaking, the 6 is sold out. The 6.5 is sold out. Look at that. They're sold out, so there's no way I'm returning them. I could have taken a 6, but it's sold out. So what can I do? Return them? No. So at least I will be very comfortable in them. I have the perfect pair of sneakers to match this bag, although the writings are not too bad. They're a keeper. Again, this will be my most expensive pair of sneakers ever. I'm showing them again, 1,200. 1,200. Are they worth it? I don't know. I'm gonna make sure that the price per wear will be great. That's all I can say at the moment. Comment down below and tell me about your most expensive pair of sneakers. I'm very curious. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one. Vi prego una buona giornata. Baci e scialate vi là.